Configuring a building automation system and received a VD2 file from your electrician? This is a project file for an industrial bus installation system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these ABB iBus installation files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky VD2 errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. VD2. Files are installation project files used by ABB iBus KNX building automation systems. They contain device configurations, bus topology, parameter settings, and programming data for KNX-based lighting, HVAC, and security control systems in commercial and residential buildings. VD2. Files use the ABB ETS engineering tool. Software project format. Storing KNX device databases. Group addresses. Bus topology parameter values and commissioning data. The structure follows KNX Association specifications for compatible engineering tools and bus device programming. The VD2 file is widely endorsed for use with ABB iBus developed by ABB Information Systems. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the VD2 file and select Open With. Use ABB iBus if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If you still cannot open your VD2 file, that is okay. The specificity of the VD2 format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, opening an ETS software. Install ABB ETS engineering tool software from the KNX Association, the standard tool for KNX projects. Use project, then import or open, and select the VD2 file. ETS loads the complete installation project with device configurations and bus topology ready for editing. Next, using ABB iBus tool. For ABB-specific projects, use the ABB iBus tool software available from ABB's website. The tool reads VD2 files and provides specialized configuration interfaces for ABB KNX devices, including extended parameter sets and device-specific commissioning features. Finally, requesting documentation. If you don't have access to ETS or iBus tool, ask the project engineer to export the VD2 contents as a PDF report. ETS can generate comprehensive project documentation, including device lists, parameter settings, and topology diagrams viewable in any PDF reader. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.